Hi guys, it's me Zishan. Today we're going to continue the no, not the origami. We're going to continue how to solve the Rubik's cube. So on this, I start on the what is that part? Yeah, like this. I'm solving the middle layer here, second layer. So after we solved it, we got to solve the upper part now. So if you don't see the plus, you need to make a cross. But if you don't see a cross, but only a two set of yellow edges and one even straight line, I'm going to show you. Okay, you see that straight line? It shall be like a sleeping line. Okay. Now what I need to do is take this and take this up and this, take this down and back it over here and get it back to where the white is. Now this is how we get a white cross at the upper part. Okay, so see you on the next part, and this part finishes so soon because it was easy for me. For some people it never comes, but you got to do it again and again and it comes. Okay, so see you on the next part guys. Bye.